20. Strange nature facts you won't believe are true. Earth is weird. Like really weird. Imagine a lake that turns animals into stone, trees that talk to each other, and actual diamonds raining from the sky. Yeah, nature is hiding some insane secrets. And today, I'm revealing 20 of the strangest nature facts you won't believe are real. Trust me, you won't look at the world the same way after this. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts every week. Now let's get into it. 1. The lake that turns animals to stone. Image of Lake Natron in Tanzania. In Tanzania, there's a lake so deadly that animals who fall into it are preserved like statues. The high pH levels turn them into mummified remains. It's like a real-life Medusa effect. 2. Trees that talk. Deep underground, trees are secretly gossiping. Through a network of fungi called mycorrhizal networks, they send messages, warn each other of danger, and even share nutrients. It's basically nature's version of the internet. 3. The 80,000-year-old forest. That's just one tree. Utah's Pando aspen clone may look like a forest, but it's actually one gigantic organism with thousands of tree trunks connected by a single root system. It's over 80,000 years old, basically the grandparent of all trees. 4. The Sahara. Used to be a rainforest. 6,000 years ago, the Sahara was filled with lakes, green landscapes, and even giraffes. Climate shifts turned it into the massive desert we know today. 5. The Amazon makes its own rain. About half of the rainfall in the Amazon comes from the trees themselves. They release water vapor that forms clouds, literally creating their own weather. 6. A river in the Amazon boils at 200 degrees. Speaking of the Amazon, there's a river so hot that it can actually boil animals alive. Scientists are still debating how geothermal activity is heating it. 7. The Earth used to be covered in giant mushrooms. Before trees existed, fungi as tall as 26 feet dominated the planet. These towering mushrooms, called prototaxites, were the biggest living things on Earth. 8. Plants can hear themselves being eaten. Studies show that when caterpillars start munching, plants detect the vibrations and release defensive chemicals to stop them. Nature is playing defense. 9. A tree that heats itself. The eastern skunk cabbage generates heat and can melt through snow to bloom in winter. It's like the plant version of a space heater. 10. The moon used to have volcanoes. The moon isn't just a boring rock. It had active volcanoes as recently as 100 million years ago, meaning dinosaurs might have seen eruptions in the night sky. 11. A hidden ocean beneath Earth's surface. Scientists discovered that deep inside the Earth's mantle, there's more water locked in minerals than in all the surface oceans combined. 12. Earth was once a giant snowball. 700 million years ago, Earth was completely covered in ice from pole to pole. Imagine living in a world where everything was frozen solid. 13. A lake that stays bubblegum pink. Australia's Lake Hillier is permanently bright pink, and no one is 100% sure why. It could be due to salt-loving bacteria, but even after studies, it remains a mystery. 14. Water can be too pure to drink. Ultra-purified water is actually dangerous because it lacks minerals and can leach nutrients from your body if you drink too much. 15. Glass can be found in the Sahara Desert. Meteor impacts and volcanic explosions melted sand into natural glass, which was later used in King Tut's jewelry. 16. A tree older than the pyramids still exists. The bristlecone pine in Utah is over 4,800 years old. It's been alive since before the Great Pyramid of Giza was even built. Chapter 17. It rains diamonds on other planets. On Neptune and Saturn, the insane pressure crushes carbon into diamonds, meaning it literally rains diamonds deep in their atmospheres. 18. Some mountains are actually flipped upside down. The Matterhorn contains African rock sitting on top of European rock due to tectonic movement. It's basically an upside-down mountain. 19. A plant that can catch fire without burning. The dictamnus plant, also known as the burning bush, releases flammable gas in hot weather. It can ignite without harming the plant itself. 20. The sky was once orange, not blue. Billions of years ago, Earth's atmosphere lacked oxygen, and the sky was filled with methane, giving it an orange tint. So early, Earth probably looked like Mars. Which of these nature facts surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. And if you love weird and mind-blowing facts, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because you won't believe what I'm revealing next.